Hey everybody, this is Elgin from the Elgin Walker team. I want to talk to you about a serious topic today. One, are you struggling to make your mortgage payment? Are you behind in your mortgage payment and unable to catch up? Or maybe you're making your payments, but you do the ends or aren't meeting the month. You know what I mean? I mean, there's nothing left over. You're pretty much just barely meeting your obligations. There are a couple of things that you should think about doing. Number one, if you happen to have equity in your home, you still have equity in it, maybe you should consider selling the property. I know, you've lived there, you've raised your kids there, it's in the school district, churches, etc., etc. But you know what? If you have equity right now, odds are you have much more equity 2 years ago. So maybe it's time for you to think about protecting the equity that you have and regrouping. Obviously, there's a possibility of refinancing, but I'll tell you, refinancing right now is much more difficult in this environment than it was a few years ago. Next, of course, the loan modifications. If you're looking to keep your home, a loan modification is something you should definitely look into. But I'll tell you a couple of things. One is, you should probably talk to your lender directly. Number two is, there are some nonprofit agencies out there that you want to give me a call or an email and maybe you should consider that might be able to help you structure yourself properly to achieve your loan modification goals. But one thing I think is crucial and critical is to know is this. Of the many homeowners that are applying for loan modifications, only a small percentage are actually receiving the mods. And an alarmingly high rate of the people that have received loan mods end up back in notice of default situations. Now, I've got my own theory on that. And there's some horror stories. I can tell you some clients that have been going through some situations with the banks and that. I'm not going to go on a soapbox about it here. But if you have any questions or you're going through something, feel free to call me or email me. Last scenario that you might want to consider is a short sale option. I know I talk about it a lot, but do you know exactly what a short sale is? Let me explain it to you very quickly. You sell your home at whatever market value is. The market value is less than what you owe. So for instance, your market or your home is worth $100,000, but you owe $200,000 on it. If done correctly and handled by a professional, you would be able to sell that home for $100,000, and the difference in what you owe the bank, you would be forgiven for that amount. Also, your real estate fees would be covered, your escrow costs and all of that. So sure, you'd walk out of the property with no money, but you'd walk out with a clean slate. You'd be able to start over. More importantly, it has a much less negative effect on your credit report than it would if you were to walk away. And last but not least, I think the most important thing is that you know that you can do a short sale, and if you do it successfully, within a 2-year period, you can purchase another home with the best rate and return. You have the opportunity, I should say, to purchase another home at the best rate and opportunity, versus if you walk away, you're looking at 7+ years to have that same opportunity. Realistically, do we think that the prices will be up in 2 years, or we have a chance to regroup and then take advantage of the marketplace as it is now? If you have any help or you need anything, feel free to call the Elgin Walker team. We're here to provide you with as much information as we can so you can make a proper decision for yourself and for your family. Also, when you're making your decisions, please look forward. Don't look backward. Whatever you're going through right now, it is a temporary condition. No matter what, remember this. It truly is a great life. God bless you. Thank you for listening. Again, call or email us if you have any concerns, questions, or need a consultation.